Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to recover password on BeReal. To recover your password on BeReal, you need to contact BeReal Support directly through the app. Now, as far as I know, that when you try to log into your BeReal account, you do not need to enter in the password, as it's going to ask you to type in the verification code that's going to be sent through an SMS on that particular time when you're trying to log in. So usually, as far as I remember, as I mentioned, that there's no such thing as password. But in your case, if you have some exceptional and that you've created password, then what you need is directly contact the BeReal support team, as there is no other way you could recover your password. So if you are not able to access your BeReal account, then what you want to do is open any browser that you have and type in BeReal Support. All right, when you do this, you could find the help link. Just click on the first link that appears, and then you just want to go ahead and click on these options. So you can go to troubleshooting, and then you have to click on login. Right now, what you want to do is you could just go ahead and look for these section or the title that says unable to recover my password or something familiar with that, and accordingly go ahead and follow the prompt, and this way you'll be able to recover your password on BeReal. Otherwise, you might be asked to type in the PIN or a verification code, and that's going to help you out to recover your account. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.